I'm Nicole.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we are going to be baking banana caramel muffins by ourselves.
We're nervous.
We're going to need 2/3 cup of baking chocolate. We got the vegetable oil. Oh, yeah. Vegetable oil. Woo! Stupid. We need 2 bowls. Alright, so we got our ingredients out and our bowls are out. Okay.
We don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, I can't.
Even if there's directions.
Alright, the box. Okay. We need, you're gonna make the cupcakes. So you need to just pour that in the here, you know what I'm looking for.
Do you not? This is. Let it go.
Let it go! Let it go!
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta get the frosting mix.
No, it's on it. Good. So,
Alright, so we got the mixes in. Okay.
let me go heat.
Go heat that oven. Go heat it. Yeah, you go heat that oven.
Shut the.
Woo! You go heat that oven. What? Alrighty.
Alright, it's on bake.
Okay, so I have to combine the frosting with the butter and the 1 tablespoon milk. Okay, so the butter is supposed to be.
This isn't soft.
It's supposed to be softened. Do we put this in the microwave? Alright, so then we gotta crack this egg into this bowl. Sarah, you wanna watch me crack an egg? You wanna see how professional I am?
No.
See how it's good.
Oh, it's.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Who else?
Where is your trash can? Where is your trash can?
Over there. That one Peter needs to Okay, yeah, this is constant.
So my camera died, and so now we're using my phone with its basking in all its shitty quality. Mixing things. Having a horrible time right now.
Oh, and guys, guess what? I got a job. Yeah, so we're excited.
Minimum wage at its finest.
Mixing it up like Monday.
You gotta be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
What the?
Be aggressive, I told you. It's good.
I'm good. I'm so good. You don't even know.
Bomb ass frosting. Bomb. It's pretty good. You say no?
Because it's a moving job, so it's only for guys. Sexist.
And a stranger and just somebody's walking outside. I made muffins, you want one?
I live here now.
Can I do it?
You want a muffin? I baked it myself.
God, this thing is so fucking annoying. Why is it so slow?
Muffins. Muffins. Do it! Just do it! Just no, just put it in there. Just do it. Do it!
Yeah.
We got some of this frosting, some cake thing. What?
Wait a minute.
What? 22 minutes to do 20. How old are you?
21.
How many degrees is it?
22.
Oh, or something. That's fine. Like me.
Yeah, no. Dead.
Hey, what you doing? The product? Do we see the product? Is it what's? Oh, look at it. My vagina is sweating. What the fuck?
Like actually.
Oh, Bane touched the butt. Bane touched the booty. Bane, be ashamed. So we're also making that Hershey's s'mores thing. Sarah, say hi.
Hi. This looks great.
There's raw egg in that.
I don't care.
Same. Living like Larry! Woo!
I love Larry.
Are you living like Larry, Bane? Huh? Living like Larry? Yeah, me too, a little bit. Suck. Are we done? Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Wait, is that a bus? Can we go over there? Let's check over there. Yeah, but it's a bus. We're not gonna check.